Welcome, another day, Thursday today. I have scheduled some machine time. Still have to do some machining this morning and also finish this logo. This is sanding, cutting it. This is supposed to be a 15-inch long logo hung vertically, so we have to cut the ends, sand, stain and poly. I have to finish these gym signs. Still have to cut up the top. There's 1, 2, 3. Take care of that. We have to peel these. Ow! Have to peel these signs. This is the karate logo one. Also needs some sanding. We'll take care of that. And then poly sealing, final sealer on all those. What else? Have to carve the barbell in here. That's still missing. And this is stock running signs, so they will leave. They will stay here. These are all the running signs for this week's production, and all of them still needs the peg holes in here. Hello and welcome. It is Sunday and I've been working on stock for next week. Hang on, let me clean the lens here. There you go. 7-inch stock, sanded, ready to be stained. I'll go down here. These are 11 by 13.5, which we're gonna turn into emblems next week.